Hello, beautiful people, welcome back. I have a beautiful detox recipe for you today, and these are all the ingredients we're going to be using. You want to grab some apples, large apples. I'm using the red apples. I have some lemon as well. I have my ginger, my green tea, and I'll be showing you the last ingredients I'm going to be using, which is my apple cider vinegar. Please, if you have acid reflux or if you have ulcer, you can skip the apple cider vinegar and even the lemons. The other ingredients will do just fine. So what I'm doing now is I'm peeling my lemons. I'm doing it as close to the skin as possible. You'll see a reason for this very shortly. Even the white part, I'm peeling everything off. Of course, I'm going to be using the skin of my lemons. I'm not going to toss it away. This will be useful for many other things. I can use it for my soup and any other thing. Okay, so you can see the way I peeled the lemons, because I'm going to be um, blending them. So I kind of removed everything so that I can get as much juice as possible. I'm also removing the seeds because, like I said, I'm going to be blending these lemons and I don't want the seeds to interfere. I don't want that bitter taste that might occur if I blend the seeds accidentally. I take good care in removing all the seeds one by one to be very sure. When I'm done doing that, I'll now extract the core of my apple to remove the seeds so that, of course, I can blend the seeds as well. If you don't do this, you can also use a knife to just carefully cut your apples and just extract the core of the apple, because we don't want that when we are blending as well. So after doing that, the next thing I want to do is just chop my apples into smaller bits for ease of blending. I am done with everything now. I'll boil some water in readiness for my green tea. After boiling the water, I'll just put two tea bags, and I'll wait for it to brew and I'll wait for it to cool as well. While that is cooling, I have my lemons, my ginger, which I've also prepped. I have my apples as well, which I've cut into little pieces. And the next thing I'm going to do is to blend all these things together. So my apples go in. Next, I have my ginger and my lemon. I have my apple cider vinegar. I'm using a tablespoon. I said you can skip this. And of course, I have my tea as well. It has cooled down a bit, and I'm just going to be using that green tea which I brewed to blend everything all together. Guys, this makes sense, right? If you do it this way, you're sure of getting all your ingredients together for that amazing detox drink. After blending, we are going to be sieving it now so that we extract our juice as much as possible. I love this combo. Like, ever since I started doing this, it has worked for me. So you can imagine having your green tea, your lemons, your ginger, everything all at once, even your apples. So I'm just sieving it all together now for me to extract the juice. You can use a strainer, you can use a cheesecloth, anything that can help you. And this is the pulp of all what we have. And finally, we have our juice, our detox juice. Like, goodness, guys, this is so refreshing. I love taking a cup, at least a cup every day, either in the morning or at night. Just one cup will do a lot for your body. It will boost your immunity, help to detox your body, and help you shed that unwanted belly fat. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.